Guys, welcome to Saltable Cooking. Today we are going to see two different healthy recipe with one mix absolutely green breakfast. As broccoli and spinach both are equally healthy for us, we are going to use both ingredients in the same dish. For that I am taking breadcrumbs, but this is again optional. Take a pan, you can add very less oil, but even it is not required also because we are going to just steam it. So now we are going to add washed spinach. It may be baby spinach or the normal ones, and then broccoli. Make it into small florets or any chopped ones also is fine because it doesn't matter, we are just going to steam it. We are not going to add any water to this, just cover it and we are going to cook. So after 4 to 5 minutes the broccoli and spinach is steamed well. See how good it has been steamed. Now it's time for us to let it cool for some time, after which you can add it to a jar and grind it. So in the meantime we are going to take 2 eggs, beat it well by adding 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and then keep it ready. Now we are going to add it to the mixed or grinded broccoli and spinach. So mix it with the egg. Now we are going to add 1 cup of breadcrumbs and mix it well. Make sure that there is no lumps formed. So once this is done, we are going to add salt, pepper. We have already added pepper in the egg while beating, so it's up to you. If you want to add, you can add or you can leave it, but I want some spices, so I added pepper powder. Now we have added 1 spoon of cornstarch, and now give it a good mix because this is the entire batter that we are done with it, and keep it ready. Now heat a pan and grease it with some oil, and then take 2-3 scoops of the batter and spread it. Don't spread it very thin, make sure that it is bit thicker because we are going to make it in a pizza kind of stuff. So make it thick, still it is going to be crispy only. So flip it after it is cooked on one side. So now you can switch off the gas. You can make it in a bigger size also. I have made it very small. So once it is switched off, now we are going to spread some ketchup. So once the ketchup is spreaded evenly, we are going to add some mozzarella cheese. Very less is enough because this is a base. So then you can arrange your veggies or even chicken or whatever you wish to, even mushrooms you can arrange it. But if you are going to add mushrooms or chicken, make sure that both are cooked well before adding to this, because this doesn't take much time, or not, we are not going to wait for a long time. So yes, the veggies are arranged. Now spread the mozzarella cheese on top of it. You can also use low fat mozzarella cheese to make it much more healthier, because we are making healthy breakfast. Why to make it more calories? But it is for kids, then make sure that you add more cheese to this recipe. Time, switch on the gas and cover it and cook for some 3 to 4 minutes. So now the dish is ready. So spread some chili flakes, mixed herbs to have much more tasty. So you can make it much more bigger size so that it can be finished in one cooking itself. So now the healthy green pizza is ready, which is nowhere less than the actual tasty pizza. Isn't it looking so yummy? Have it and enjoy. The next dish is for the people who don't want this cheese to be added. For that, even the same batter is going to be used. Now take a pan. After it is heated, grease it with some oil and spread it in the same way. You can even make it thin, but not very thin. So once it is spreaded, now add the onions, capsicum or tomatoes, sweet corn or whatever you wish to have. And now we are going to cook on both the sides of this. For this dish we are not going to add cheese, but it's up to you. If you wish to add, you can add it. One more thing is that here we have added egg and breadcrumbs and cornstarch. You can also skip egg and breadcrumbs if you don't want to. After adding the veggies, give it a light press so that it is not going to come out when you flip it. So once it is cooked on one side, flip it and cook on the other side. And now the dish is ready. This dish also you can have ketchup as a dip, or even you can have mayonnaise for this. So now it is ready. It is cooked on both the sides with the full of veggies and spinach healthy. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to this channel. See you soon.